Hi guys, Dawn Ginese, also known as the Singing Nurse. I'm here today to tell you all about my song, Rubba Dub Dub. And we know we're all doing lots of hand washing and learning about germs. So I just wanted to bring to you my lesson, The Singing Nurse, Health Lessons for Kids. 1 and 4 are together. One is Rubba Dub Dub, which is all about hand washing, and the other one is Don't Spread Your Germs Around. There's a germ picture for the kids to color. This book also has a sheet of germs that are already made, so you can use it and do it on your bulletin board. Everybody likes a bulletin board. I was inspired today because I was watching a video by Teachers Making the Basics Fun, and that is Angie. Right, Angie? She is very fun, retired. I don't think she's old enough to be retired, but she is retired. At the end, I'll tell you a little tip that she did that was really cool. Recently, I did a video of Don't Spread Your Germs Around, and it has all the hand motions, so go and watch that. It should be around here somewhere or down in the description. You could do handprints, which you can make a collage with all the pictures that you take of the kids washing their hands. Everybody's got to wash their hands. You can involve the teachers, the parents, the school nurse, the principal, anyway, anybody who's around there, anybody who has to wash their hands, right? Everybody has to wash their hands. And main thing, it's a fun song. Song is actually here on YouTube already. My daughter did an awesome job of animating it. So you can either play the song while your kids are washing their hands, or you could play the animation for them while other kids are washing their hands and the other ones are sitting waiting for everybody and watching the video. So anyway, I almost forgot. You don't want to forget. Angie did an awesome teacher tip today on her live YouTube broadcast from Teachers Making the Basics Fun. She used paint and she used wax paper, but I'm not going to give it away. I want you to go visit her today. And don't forget to look in the description and you can go get the lessons and the music. Don't forget the music. And don't forget